Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. So we are at Denaroo Port.
Marina,
Yeah, Marina. We are going to Cloud9 today.
It's essentially a 2-story pizzeria and bar, like beach club in the middle of the ocean, just floating in the Mamauka Islands. And we got picked up from the hotel earlier today, and this place is I don't know, it's a little bit fake, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just like big resorts, big food chains. It's not like Nardi Town and stuff like that. It's not raw, which I don't know, I'm not too keen on. But first things first is coffee. We had to get up so early today, like 6:30.
We didn't even get one, did we, in the room?
Didn't even have time for a coffee, so we got to have one of these and then have a little look around Denaroo.
So if we go to our boat, it's this one right here.
We thought we were getting like the rocket one on the end, so we're a bit disappointed.
They were like, everyone get to the red one, and then nah, we're going in this one, but still good.
Cloud9, 45 minutes later, and one engine blowing laser.
Oh yeah, that was scary.
It's insane. It's literally in the middle of nowhere, and the water around us is so blue. You've got all the different shades of blue, and you can dive in from all these platforms up here. And we got a £60 bar tab each, so I think we're going to get a little bit drunk today, aren't we? This place even has a lovely downstairs with a DJ who's disappeared now, but I think that's probably the best spot to chill out on these sofa beds, so you've got to get it early.
One pizza and some drinks. But yeah, we're just gonna get some chill time.
We're here, it's so clear. You're like off all the Mamauka Islands, and you've got this one like coral, and the colour of the ocean is incredible. And we've actually got a little jump here, so you can jump off the top of this restaurant, bar, whatever you want to call it, beach club. So I'm going to get in there. So that was insane. The water, the colours is incredible, like seriously, it is probably the clearest water I think I've ever seen.
I didn't really fancy going in there. They said it's really deep. I might paddle with my lifeguard.
Well, yeah. The tide was very strong, but I've worked up an appetite after that, so we've ordered one of the pizzas from here because it is a pizzeria after all. Come.
Don't know if you can see it, but
incredible, doesn't it?
Amazing.
Gonna get this down now. So Molly is feeling very content, aren't you, after your pizza? How good was that?
I'm just a little bit stuffed. It was that, you know, when you're that hungry and you just shove it in. That's what I did. I put indigestion, but it was beautiful.
It was so good. Like it was, I think it's like a wood-fired one. Like you wouldn't expect that on a boat in the middle of the ocean.
It was like fresh dough, just shoved in the fire. It was just beautiful.
That was that. Cannot recommend it enough. What a day.
It's been absolutely amazing. Been one of the best days I think we've had.
It is insane. Like, I would recommend it to anyone. Like
Definitely.
where else in the world can you find a floating, two-floored pizza restaurant and bar in the middle of the ocean,
It's
surrounded
insane.
by these insane islands? It is just crazy. But I think we've got to get our transfer back now.
We have indeed.
So we'll see you back in the hotel. Just got back from Cloud9, guys. Unbelievable day, absolutely brilliant. I think we've got a little bit burnt again and a little bit tipsy, but Molly's already there working away, editing today's video. We've actually made a few friends on the tour today, so they're gonna actually come to our hotel and we're gonna have a few drinks tonight, so we'll see how that goes. Go and collect our guests, Molly, so I'll see you in a little bit. I'm gonna leave the camera with you.
Aww.
Well, I don't think they'll really want to be filmed, you know what I mean?
Probably not.
So I'm going to leave it with you.
So just currently editing today's video. So much easier when you can look out and see the sea and a beautiful beach than it is doing it when you're at home. So this is definitely the life. Top tip when you're away, we're actually going to have noodles again for dinner. Well, I am. It's such a big money saver because they were like 80 Fijian cents, which is so good, really filling. So yeah, just going to get this video edited and then get me some noodles before our friends arrive. So our friends have just left. It's really late now. The video is currently going out, which means I've got to stay up. But we're really tired, so we're going to end the video here. Or I'm going to end the video here. So you know what to do. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. There's so many more adventures coming up. Drop us a like. And remember to keep on dancing.